Half moon pose. Feel free to practice this pose with a wall behind you and or a block below the balancing arm. Begin in Tadasana. Inhale here and exhale, lift the left leg back sideways. Place the right palm down for support with the fingertips firmly on the ground or on a block. Keep gazing at a point below the mat for balance. Inhale and raise the left arm overhead in line with the right arm with the palm facing out. Exhale. Inhale and gently begin to turn the head towards the sky and gaze at the left palm, or you can look straight ahead. In the final pose, the hips and chest are completely open, with the leg lifted parallel to the floor. Stay here for 5 full breaths, relaxing the body and the mind with complete awareness. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To come out, gently look down as you exhale. Inhale and raise the torso to come back to Tadasana. Relax your arms and legs. Repeat on the other side.